Hello everyone, my name is Nina and welcome to my Bonbonina channel. Today I made these amazing cookies. They are from my childhood. I'm making them, always memories coming back, how I was making them with my mom, with my brother. It's just amazing, and they're delicious, very easy to make and fun because you need meat grinder, and then you get all this uneven shapes, and that's the beauty of these cookies. So let's make these cookies together. Okay, these cookies are my childhood cookies, and recipe is from this very old Russian book. It's a 1952, yes, 1952. It says book about tasty and healthy food. So it's book of the recipes, and there is this recipe of this cookie my mom used to make. Recipe is really simple. So I've got my eggs there, and now I'm going to whip them with the sugar for a few minutes, so they will triple in size. Alright, my eggs are really good consistency, and now I'm adding and continue whipping my room temperature butter. Right, my butter is mixed in very well, and now I'm changing my attachment to this paddle attachment. And now slowly I'm mixing in my sifted flour. Half teaspoon of soda, baking soda. And teaspoon of vanilla. Our cookie dough is ready. But we're not going to pipe these cookies, we're not gonna roll these cookies. We are going to get them through the meat grinder. So I've got this attachment for my KitchenAid. You can use any food grinder you have. So I remember how Sunday morning my mom would get, like really old-fashioned. We used to have old-fashioned metal heavy meat grinder, and you have to stick it to the table, and it was like a labor. Work with this manual meat grinder, it was something else. It was the whole process. So to make the dough, it's easy. But now it's easy to make cookies as well, because I have this attachment and no pain. So you have to get ready your cookie sheet, and I'm getting dough to my grinder. So I got my dough into my meat grinder, and now we're going to make cookies. You can make them any size. That was my last one. That was fun to make them. So if you have the same attachment, you have to regulate your speed of your mixer, how fast you want to go. So, but you saw the process is it's fun and it's easy. And now my cookies are going to oven for 400 Fahrenheit for about 10-15 minutes. When they're ready, I'll let you know how long it took me. Alright, and I'll see you later. Cookies are ready, and there is nothing fancy. It's just your homemade, fun to make, delicious cookie. It took me exactly 15 minutes for 400 Fahrenheit. But if you make them smaller, then probably you will need 10 minutes. So to make them even yummier, I will sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar on them. And there they are, my cookies from my childhood. Easy to make, delicious, you can make them anytime, any day, just to please yourself. So I hope you like this recipe, I hope you like this video, I hope you make these cookies. Enjoy, really, I hope you make them and enjoy them. So leave a comment how you like them, what do you think about this idea, and soon I will make another video about another my childhood deliciousness. So stay tuned.